Welcome to my channel GSX Tourer. Today's video is going to be about the accessories on my GSX S750. It's been a year I have this bike with me now, covered about 12,000 kilometers and counting. So I just thought I'll give you a preview of what I have as accessories on my bike. I'm in this beautiful city of Palakkad in Kerala, and we've come for the weekend in a homestay somewhere about 20 kilometers from the city. Guys, just have a look. So we'll be staying at this place called Moksha Stories. I'll leave the details in the description. It's just an amazing place, guys. It's just away from the city. There's nothing much around, but you just get yourself and your family, if you want to bring them, just to have a chilled out weekend or probably a day or two here. I mean, tree house, hammock, good food, and an awesome stay. That's what they provide. Okay, the bike is completely wrapped in matte PPF along with the clear PPF on the headlights. So that's what I've done once I got the bike. I'll leave the detail as to who did what work in the description if you would like to contact them and get stuff done. Starting with the tires, guys, I've done a video on Senseri TPMS. That's what I've got. That is what you see here. Been using for about 8,000 kilometers and I'm really happy with the product. Indian made product, guys, and it doesn't cost much. I think it's still about 2,832 rupees. And if you ask me, I would suggest using this product. Wonderful. I've done a video on the Senseri TPMS, so if you would like to see that, I'll put an iCard somewhere on the screen. On the headlight, I've got the Pure Graphel windscreen. As you can see, it perfectly fits the GSX S750. It actually sits with the line of the headlight. Of course, it's not a cheap product, but guys, it's really sturdy. It serves the purpose. Doesn't move around much. And what I like about this is it is mounted onto the handlebars, so anytime I want, I can just unscrew, remove the visor and fit it back. Any other fitment to the headlight, it's time consuming and it's a pain in the wrong place. So that's the reason I decided to go for the Pure Graphel. Really happy, well recommended. Then I've got the hand guards from Blockbusters. This is the VPS model. I've got the radiator guards. I think this is from Evotech Performance. Really good. I got it as soon as I got the bike, because that is one accessory you must have on your bike. Coming to the side, I've got the Pug Pro frame sliders. Again, I got this product as soon as I got the bike and before I got it delivered. Pug Pro frame sliders, really good, well recommended. Alright, I'll come to the handlebar. So this is my mobile mount from SP Connect. 200% recommended, guys. I mean, you can use it. It's really sturdy. You don't have those tethers. I've been using a RAM mount. It's again good, no harm. It's a good product, but this is something it's quick access. I'll show you how it works. So this is locked now. It's not going to go anywhere. You just turn it around, pick it up, and that's it, done. And this is a lock. All you need to have is an compatible case, which needs to be on when you keep it. Slam it down, lock it, and there it is. You're good to go. Again, having a mobile needs, and for touring you need a charger. So I've got the Optimate USB charger, which not only helps you charge, it cuts off the charge after 3 hours, so that no one can just come and plug in their USB and charge their phones. So it also shows your battery strength of the bike. Again, guys, bit on the costlier side, but again, well recommended, guys. I mean, especially if you got super bikes, I don't think you should think twice to invest on products like these. I also had the Bolt charger lying with me from my old bike, but I don't use it. I've disconnected and kept it, but I'll connect it, if I want to charge multiple devices. I've got the RAM mirror mount, to which I actually connect my camera for different angles. Nothing else on the handlebar. Coming to the tank, guys, so I've got the SW Motec Quick Pro Tank bag. It's the dry pack series. I've got it somewhere. I'll show the bag as well. It's magnetic, plus it gets locked to this. High speeds, no issue, guys. It stays there, and really handy accessory. So these are the bottle holders from Prospec. Again, a Bangalore based company doing real good products. It stays put, guys. I mean, it's not going away anywhere. All right, what else? Again, this is a camera mount from Prospec, well utilized, for a awesome POV. And as you can see, I've got the Yoshimura Alpha T slip-on. I think one of the best suited exhausts for the GSX S750. At low RPM, it just gives you a nice buzz, and the more you rev, the more awesome it gets. That's about it, guys. I don't think there's anything else I have on my bike, and any information you need further on these products, please do leave a comment, and I shall respond as soon as possible. Please do take out some time to watch my other videos, and I hope you guys like it. Until I'm back with another video, this is GSX Tourer signing off. Thank you, guys.